Okay, here's another project. The audio to this was unusable because there's copyrighted music in the background, so this is going to be a voiceover video. Basically, we have this fire pit on our deck. You can probably see it in one of my other videos of doing the patio bench. Anyway, the cover to it was this mesh, and it was completely rusted out, big holes in it, looked terrible. So I'm going to redo it here in this video. I start by removing the handle, which of course the screws were completely rusted in place, so it took a lot of soaking and with penetrating oil, and I ended up putting it in the vise and hitting it with that impact. And I just rip out the old mesh. It was in pretty sad shape, so most of it was pretty easy to rip and tear. It was so rusty. And what I couldn't, I just cut out with this cut-off bit, 4.5 inch grinder with the cut-off blade. And I cleaned it. You don't see it on here, but I cleaned up the frame pretty well with a wire brush on my grinder. And this is a stainless mesh that I came up with as scrap, and I'm just going to cut it down to size. And what you see me doing there is cutting some sheet metal to use as tabs to hold the stainless in place. The mesh was fairly fine, finer than I would want to weld on normally. So for the first few welds on each piece that I put in here, I cut these tabs, weld those in place to take the load and keep it in position. And then later I go through and put some tack welds to hold it more securely in position. But these first few are just held in with some little, like 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, maybe probably more like 3/8 by 3/8 little sheet metal tabs that I weld in to keep it held down. Here's the second piece, which I basically just cut to the same shape as the first piece. Same basic routine. The main support here is, to start with, is those tabs. Just trimming off some excess. And here's where I start to just tack weld in some directly to the frame and the mesh to make sure that it maintains its shape. But at this point they're not taking much stress. The tabs are taking the bulk of the stress, and then these are just holding the shape. Here I'm just going to wire brush the handle, get it all cleaned up. Once all that's done, put it in, and then I can paint it up, and I'll show you the finished product when it's all painted again. And that's it. Not a real complicated project, but definitely improvement over the old one. Thanks for watching.